So, здравствуйте. Behind me is the IKEA. And now I'm going to walk to Tachikawa north side of station by the passage of walking street newly made here on the north side of Tachikawa. Right? I was walking. I'd like to talk about a little bit about the issue of dispatchment. So dispatchment, what I'm thinking about this is that what we are looking for is not really just change the post office, ask post office to send kind of our request of dispatchment to the other places, but more to think about the way in which we can think of in some kind of different way, so that we can think differently also, not automatically sending the such as like same way to to send a book as always. However, we can do something other, such as making PDF direct communication to you immediately, and we can directly send an email to you, so it's much more quicker and immediately, and I believe it's even better than just sending a package of books. So things are always in between. There is a in between. The garden is here. The people are start eating. People are putting masks even though outside. Oh, here's the vegetable shop. Yeah, so what I'm telling is that we can do much better reaction in order to answer what you want to know about tachibi.com. Yeah. So it always seems to be different, and as always I go different way to think in our new kind of way to spend. Well, it's very quiet, and foreign people behind me, they are also enjoying their summer. So this is almost enjoyable walking. Well, I think this kind of walking tour as an excursion we can prepare during this summer. So when we are fully prepared for the classes and the ateliers and buildings, also we can make some kind of walking tour as an excursion, look at the city itself, urban life, how it is, how the urban works, weekdays and weekends differently, and as special Tachikawa city, we have Faret TACHIKAWA areas. So this is the meeting point of Faret TACHIKAWA, and